want to say thank you so much to the branding team for very kindly sending me this gorgeous bedding set to try. It has completely transformed the bedroom vibe here. The texture is really lovely and soft and it feels very luxurious against the skin. It is made of very high quality microfiber that is very breathable and gentle even if you have sensitive skin. It's very lightweight but still very cozy enough to snuggle into as well. The finish is very smooth and wrinkle free and it makes the whole room look polished in my opinion, and it comes in 20 different colours, so there's something to match every style. I went with this beautiful purple and it adds such a calm, elegant touch, particularly if your colourway is like grey or neutral. And it comes in 3 sizes as well, so you will find something for you, either a double, a king or a super king, so it's perfect for pretty much every bedroom. The stitching is really nice and neat and very durable, and it held up really well after a wash. The set includes a duvet cover and 2 matching pillowcases, which makes it styling really easy and effortless to match other cushions and things to the bedding. It was super easy to pull on because it has a zipper at the closure to pull on the duvet cover, and the pillowcase features a hidden opening for neatness. It feels like really nice hotel bedding, but just for a fraction of the cost. So if you are looking to upgrade your sleep space, this is a total win in my opinion. And so thanks very much again for the branding team for very kindly sending this to me to try. I absolutely love it.